Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2003 Kawasaki ZX6RR Ninja. This bike's got just a little over 14,300 miles on it and is in overall very good condition. It has been down on both sides, so I'll show you that as we walk around, but let's take a look at the highlights and then we'll fire it up. Comes with a dark smoke windscreen. It's got a new front tire on it. Front fender's in great shape. Tip over on the right, a little crack there. Comes with flush mount front blinkers. Got a scrape here, gouge there, crack there. Chipping on the engine cover, a little bit on the side of the tank. Comes with a tank pad, passenger seat cowl, Jardine exhaust, color match rear fender. Also has an integrated tail and a fender eliminator on it. Back tire is in excellent shape. So you can see some of the damage here from being down on the left. Also has aftermarket pegs. Chrome engine cover. There's a dent in the tank and some chipping here. Up along the fairing. Back of the mirror and by the edge of the mirror. Show you those miles. 14,388 is what's on it. Runs like a champ. This ZX6RR Ninja has gone through pre-sale inspection, and as with all our other bikes, for the lifetime that you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.